everyone, Amanda here. Thank you so much for joining me. So I'm here today to share some freebies for you. So before you think that I talk too much and you don't want to listen and you click off, I've got something for you for free. So why am I giving these freebies? I'm going to be giving freebies away once a week, every week, for 4 weeks through the month of August over on my Kofi site, where absolutely anybody can access them. All you need is the internet and a printer. And I'm doing these freebies as it's my birthday month, so this is my happy birthday to me giveaway to you event. I don't know what I'm going to call it. Birthday month freebies or something like that. So the first freebie that I'm giving away is this one, and it was previously a members only collection. It's not a Journaling Joy collection, it was an extra that I gave them. The Journaling Joys will only ever be for the members. So I thought I'd share it a bit wider so that anybody can have it. Okay, I shared it with them quite a while ago. So if you remember, you will already have got this more than likely. So this is a 17-page collection. It's called Lovely Lilacs. And you print this in 2 ways. So I'm going to show you page by page, but I just want to show you something first. So in the first instance, you can see that they're quite dark and moody. Dark and kind of grungy and vintage. Now, to get that, I printed using the high setting in my printer. Okay. Now, if you are not keen on the dark and grungy look, okay, you can print in the standard setting. These are the same pages. Okay, can you see the difference? So that one's dark and vintage and moody, and that one's light and pastel and more shabby. So if you want the vintage, print it in the high setting, and if you want it in the lighter area, shabbier look, print it in standard. It's very versatile. So a 17-page collection, totally free. Go and grab it. The link's in the description box below. Okay, you can leave a small donation if you desire, but you don't have to. It is free. So there's the first one. And the second, I'll quickly go through them. So you could literally make a small journal out of this or incorporate it in with another collection for journaling. You can rip them up for collage. You can print them two to a page and make journaling cards. You could use them like masterboards, and you could, like these ones, this one's a portrait. Use it like a masterboard, cut it up into tags or journaling cards, or rip it up and add it as for collage. Okay, this one's also in portrait. Beautiful. They're really lovely. Okay. And then there's another collage. Again, it will print out very, very, very soft and shabby if you do it in your standard settings. And there's another. And there's another. I love this one. It's really pretty. Lots of layers, lots of collage, lots of script, lots of flowers, lots of butterflies. Okay. That's another portrait one, so if you like your tall skinnies, perfect. And there's another one. Okay, and there's another one. Okay, so as part of my birthday freebie giveaway, like I say, there will be one every week for 4 weeks through August. The first one's available now. The second one will be available next week. I'm not sure which day because it coincides with my family holiday, so it might be on the Tuesday or the Wednesday. I'm not sure. But if you go to Kofi via the link below, create yourself a Kofi account. It's just the same as creating an Etsy account, so that it knows who you are and it knows what your favourites are. If you create a Kofi account, then it will inform you every time I upload, so you'll never miss out on any freebies or videos or anything like that. And whilst you're there, have a nosy about. Have a nosy at my membership collections. Every collection in the membership section has a corresponding video giving you a full page by page view. Have a look, see what you think. It is only £3 a month, which is around $3.50 or 60, something like that, depending on the exchange rate. Very, very good value for money. But also there's other freebies on there as well. Don't forget, there is my art journaling collection, that's free. And if you scroll through the Kofi shop, there are other freebies, and there are things in the gallery section as well. So go and navigate the site, get yourself familiar with it, and grab those freebies. And make sure that you grab the freebies every week throughout the month of August. So this is a 17-page collection. Next week's is only 6 pages, but it's totally different. The week after, I can't remember how many pages is in the next one. I can't remember. It's gone. I've blinked. But, you know, there's going to be one every week for 4 weeks. So you can grab yourself some fantastic freebies and celebrate my birthday with me. I hope that you like that. Take care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.